Well, hi there, everybody, and good Monday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. We ended last week, the work week at least, on a slick note with icy conditions, and we could begin our new work week with slick conditions. Now, not right away instantly this morning. It's just kind of cloudy or mostly cloudy out there to start things out this morning. But later today, the concern will be for freezing drizzle. Now, as we watch this futurecast, it really doesn't show much freezing drizzle. It does show that spotty light snow in the east. I don't think we'll see much snow today. But we'll see these patchy areas of drizzle develop, and temperatures will remain below freezing everywhere, so freezing drizzle is going to be a problem. Not only that, breezy southeast winds throughout the day of 10 to 20 miles per hour. So watch for worsening conditions as that drizzle falls, starts to accumulate into ice. It'll become slicker and slicker later today and into tonight. As kids are heading home from school, it might be a little slick, maybe a little worse yet towards that 5 o'clock commute. A lot of people getting off of work later in the day. And then into the evening and overnight, the conditions will continue to worsen. Meanwhile, you see off to the northwest, snow gets going late in the afternoon and this evening. We're probably not seeing snow in the Tri-Cities area until after midnight tonight. That transition from freezing drizzle to snow will happen through the night from northwest to southeast. So we'll start to see snow and periods of some light to moderate snow, but also maybe a couple of little bands of heavier snow there as you're seeing north of the Tri-Cities there by early tomorrow morning. Also, you notice those winds change direction, going from more easterly to northerly towards the through the overnight hours, and they get strong. So blowing snow is going to be a problem. That's also going to bring plunging temperatures as Arctic air works into the area. Temperatures will get colder and colder through the day Tuesday. Now, our best chance of snow will come during the morning Tuesday morning. Plus, blowing snow is going to blow that snow around, causing reduced visibility and drifting of snowfall. Then we see the snow trying to transition out of here through the afternoon hours from west to east. Although blowing snow still could be a problem even into the early evening hours of Tuesday evening. But later in the night, we'll see those winds start to die down, but it will be a cold night ahead of us for Tuesday night. So, almost everybody in our viewing area, in the Local 4 viewing area, is under a winter weather advisory, except for Republic County, Kansas, and Pawnee County, Nebraska. Those are the two counties in the Local 4 viewing area that do not have advisories out. That said, the main reason for this winter weather advisory is the freezing drizzle, just like what we had last Friday. Now, some places will pick up enough snowfall to reach that criteria for a winter weather advisory as well. But again, worsening conditions, this will be going into effect at either 3 o'clock this afternoon, 6 o'clock this evening, or 9 o'clock in southwest Nebraska. And this will continue until either 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon out west, or for 6 o'clock tomorrow evening for the rest of us here. Now again, along with the freezing drizzle and the icy conditions, how much snow are we talking? Like I said, I'm going in that 1 to 4 inch range with the highest totals to the north. You can see in general most of us in that 1 to 3, 4 inch range, but there is the potential for some little band to set up here and there that may produce some slightly heavier snow amounts of up around 4, 5, 6 inches of snowfall. Probably over 6 inches is fairly unlikely, although you see this model showing a little bit more than that here. But again, if you're looking at Ord and saying 6.7 inches of snow, don't look at the specific location. It's tough to say where exactly that little band of heavier snow is going to be. It can be anywhere really, but especially kind of favoring areas to the north, not so much to the south and southeast. So the Tri-Cities, I'm kind of in that 1 to 2, maybe 3 inch range. But again, higher totals of 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts, basically, of maybe 5 or 6 inches up towards the north. But again, keep in mind, with all this snow falling, even if it's a light snow or a heavier snow, blowing snow is going to cause that reduction in visibility for traveling, making travel difficult out there. Plus, we see temperatures today climbing only into the 20s, some 30s way out west, 40s in the panhandle of Nebraska. But for most of us today, just rather chilly day out there. And then temperatures kind of hover tonight. They really don't fall off much unless you live off towards the northwest. That's as that wind becomes more northerly. That's going to start to bring in that colder air. So watch tomorrow as temperatures start to drop off as that north wind kicks in. Temperatures really not climbing at all tomorrow. We'll see our high early in the day on your Tuesday. And then, and of course, then you factor in wind chill. That wind chill is going to be down around 0 or colder in some locations, and the temperature will continue to then drop off as we get to Tuesday night. So next couple of days, again, freezing drizzle this afternoon into this evening. This is the wrong forecast. I apologize. Let me switch over to the morning forecast. I'm showing you the wrong forecast map here. Let's show you the my forecast here. There we go. Freezing drizzle this afternoon, continuing into this evening. Conditions will get slicker and slicker as we progress through that time frame. So by this evening especially, watch for those icy conditions. We'll transition over to snow in the Tri-Cities after midnight tonight. Earlier transition to the northwest, later transition to the southeast. Snowfall continues tomorrow morning and then starts to move out from west to east during the afternoon hours. Should be gone by tomorrow evening. Winds strong tomorrow. Lightening up then tomorrow night, so blowing snow until the evening hours as that wind starts to die down. Dropping temperatures tomorrow. We'll try to recover back into the 30s on Wednesday, mid-30s here in the Tri-Cities. Colder east, warmer west, lots of sunshine, mostly sunny skies. May end up being one of the nicer days of the 7-day forecast. But unfortunately, Thursday, another day where we get another shot of Arctic air. That's another one of those days where the temperature may drop through the day. The winds are going to be strong again. Some snow in the morning. Doesn't look like a major snow event. This should be a fairly light snow event Thursday morning. I don't think we'll see much out of this here, but bitterly cold wind chills by the end of the day, Thursday into Thursday evening. Wind chills could be down around 10 to 20 below zero. Friday, a little bit warmer, despite mostly cloudy skies, and another small chance of snow. These chances here in the end of the week, especially Friday into Friday night and Saturday, very minor nuisance snows, leaving very, very low amounts. Not going to see a lot of additional accumulation of snowfall, but unfortunately the temperature's just struggling to warm up. We may actually get back into the upper 30s. Some models have us into the 40s on Sunday, but that looks very short-lived. As early next week, we may be talking about another Arctic blast of air coming in. And in fact, I'm going to show you the 10-day outlook here of temperatures. We could see more cold air on the way towards Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. That's those final 3 days on this graphic here. And in fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we're colder than what this graphic is showing. Some models have very cold Arctic air working its way in. So up and down temperatures, but a lot more below average than above average in the week ahead. So again, immediate concern right away today, especially later today and tonight, freezing drizzle, eventually some snow, accumulating snowfall late tonight and into the day tomorrow, strong winds blowing that snow, dropping temperatures tomorrow, and then more minor snow coming in later in the week. So with that, we're going to wrap it up here. I hope you all do have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there today, tonight, and tomorrow. I won't be back with you again until Thursday morning. Kit will be filling in for me for Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning's shows here. So I'll be back with you on Thursday to talk about more cold and maybe a little more snow out there as well. So with that, I'm going to wrap things up. Hope you all do have a wonderful Monday, a wonderful start to your week. Take care, and God bless. Bye.